What training model do you believe produces truly competent musculoskeletal ultrasound practitioners, musculoskeletal ultrasound experts?
I think it's the program where there is mentorship built into that, because you need mentorship. You also need a network of peers where you have the support, and it's not like you come for this module and then you go back and you're on your own. This is where somebody helps you first establish the normal sonor anatomy. So one of the most important surprise, or something that almost everyone who undergoes training of ultrasound, you realize how much of variation of normal anatomy there is, but that we don't care about or we don't realize. Not every tendon in every body is going to look the same. The same tendon can look different in all of us who are present here in this webinar. So knowing normal very well is the foundation, and that only comes with like some mentorships of practice. So when we review reports from our students, when they go back and then we ask them to send us normals, they are surprised how much of variation they see. Sometimes you find a sesamoid bone, sometimes you find extra muscle, which can very well be confused with something abnormal like a soft tissue mass. So I would say like the program where you have the support system. So in simple words, that's a mentorship. But other than mentorship, we have ongoing opportunities like this where we meet and discuss, we see each other's problem, challenges, and we brainstorm together. So you see like what other person who's at the same level as you going through the program is doing in their practice. So I think there's a lot of value in connecting with peers and the mentorship.
I would agree on that. And actually, the American Academy of Musculoskeletal Ultrasound, among the other programs like the diplomate program, it has actually a fellowship program, right? And I know what the AAMU's fellowship program is, but what is stunning to me is that I have seen out there other programs that they call themselves a fellowship, and there is zero mentorship in those fellowships. There is zero report reviews. That I've seen programs that they are called as fellowships in MSK ultrasound, and students simply go to a few classes. They go to 4, 5, 6 classes, weekend courses, and they call that a fellowship. And this is absolutely not a fellowship. So can you just explain to us a little bit about the structure of the AAMU program and how does that compare to other so-called but not really fellowships?
So AAMU fellowship is in true sense what the industry standard is. I would say even more than the industry standard of a fellowship. Fellowship is an advanced training where you specialize in an area which is more than the foundational skills. So although we do start at foundational skills, we do spend some time. We think foundation is very important. We build on that. There is mentorship is at the core of AAMU fellowship. So there is constant contact with mentor. You're paired with a mentor who's with you from the very beginning to the graduation. There is also a lot of emphasis in clinical integration. So it's not like we're just doing this didactic thing and throwing all the information at you. This is built in a very gradual format where you learn the foundational skills, then we build advanced skills on top of that. At the same time, you have this peer review and mentorship going on. We've put emphasis on clinical integration, more specifically, like you said earlier, report writing. That we want you to write report. We want you to send your product out there wherever it needs to go, to insurance, to a referring provider, to the surgery team. And we want you to write like great reports which are industry standard and they meet and exceed industry standards.